Good evening, everyone. Thanks for clicking on my Weather Extra. We have a pretty active weather pattern coming up in the coming days. We're tracking a big cool down, of course, this weekend. And there still is the potential for a sizable storm on Wednesday. We'll look at that in more detail in a moment. Here's satellite radar. Of course, many towns saw some snowflakes this morning. That transitioned over to rain showers for many communities as well. We're awaiting the passage of a cold front that will move through overnight. That front is situated just off to our west here. Notice what's lurking in the upper left-hand corner of your screen, right up in here through portions of Minnesota, back through the Dakotas. There's an Arctic front there. That will be moving through tomorrow night, and that will play a big role in our weather for Sunday. So let's go through Storm Tracker for you, starting off tomorrow morning. This is 6 a.m. I think we'll start with some sun and temps in the 30s. Tomorrow will be a brighter day. It's going to be a little bit of a windy day. Temps will generally be in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees. No more clouds and even snow showers in the mountains. Saturday will be the best part of the weekend. That Arctic front sneaks through tomorrow night. There could be a snow shower or snow squall. After that, more clouds than sun on Sunday. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Snow showers get going in the mountains. There could be a few inches of snow in the mountains only. Notice the high temperatures during the prime heating of the day. We're going to stay in the mid to upper 20s with wind chills in the single digits and teens. So midwinter temps are heading our way for Sunday and again on Monday. Monday will showcase some improvement. It will be a little bit brighter with increasing clouds. The winds won't be quite as strong, I don't think, either. But it will be very cold. Temps will be a solid 15 degrees below normal. Now, the buzz is all about a next storm system, which should be arriving on Wednesday. This could be a travel nightmare for travel day here. Some of the forecast models, just a few of them. This is the European model, which shifted east just a little bit with the center of the storm, which is a tad cooler. We're going to continue to monitor that. The high is just not in the perfect spot for what you'd like to see, for a lot of cold air to be hanging around. Based on this scenario, it will be a rain-snow situation around here. Still way too early to determine that, so we'll have to keep you updated. But GFS model tracked is shifting a little bit farther east as well. That's a little bit colder, but more of a glancing blow. These are just some of the forecast models. The Japanese model, which has been onto this for a couple of days now. There's the low moving up into probably hugging the coast of Maine. That would be a rain and snow situation, probably rain at the coastline, snow inland. The Canadian model is very warm. This will be pretty much entirely rain with some strong winds, with a low moving up into the Connecticut River Valley. The reason I'm showing you this, there is still a lot of different scenarios of how this could play out. Regardless, it looks like a storm should be affecting us at some point on Wednesday, so still a solid 5 days out. We'll fine-tune it as we get closer. Here's that 7-day forecast. That cold blast will lead my headlines this weekend. Sunday and Monday, upper 20s to near 30. Wind chills will be in the single digits and teens. I expect wind gusts probably 30 to 40 miles per hour on Sunday. It's going to be brutally cold. Your inland forecast, not much of a change there. If anything, it's just a little bit colder. Maybe you're heading out to some of the football games this weekend. We have the Class A that begins at 11 o'clock at Fitzpatrick Stadium, 35 degrees. That should say west wind. That's not a northwest wind. A west wind around 15 to 25 with wind chills in the 20s. There's your Class D, 2:30 in the afternoon, 38 degrees, probably the warmest part of the day. Remember, normal highs are in the mid to upper 40s. We'll be nowhere near that. Wind chills likely in the 20s. Your Class C, we're expecting wind chills to be in the teens. That begins at 6 p.m. All right, that's the way things look tonight. Again, a very active weather pattern. Steve will have much more on the forecast throughout the weekend. And Craig, first thing Monday morning. And we'll keep you updated, of course, on CBS News at 6 and 11 tonight. Have a nice night.